a concrete jungle. You hear the lion in my roar. Reggae camp, Hatvan, last tune, hands up in the air. This one's dedicated to everyone, all the lions say, hey, we're in a concrete jungle, you hear the lion in my roar. We're in a concrete jungle, you hear the lion with him, you hear the lion with him roar. We're in a concrete jungle, you hear the lion with him roar. Cause him a walk like a king in a concrete jungle. Reggae camp, you feel alive? Yeah! When you hear the lion roar, it's unbelievable. It's a go tear up your heart and shake your soul. He's a king symbol. You'll find him in royal places as old as current. The flag of Ethiopia and the flag of Tibet. Lion the ark, lion the ark roar. Lion hands so brave and bold. I thought a bunch of gypsy come forth in Rasta. In Ethiopia they call him Ambassa. In Swahili they call it Simba. Well, if you ever in Indonesia, don't say that the lion here we can't sing. Don't say that the lion here is boss and leader. I reggae camp, can I see some lion party in the air? Two hands in the air. Well, in a concrete jungle, you hear the lion in my roar. Well, in a concrete jungle, you hear the lion with him, you hear the lion with him. Well, in a concrete jungle, you hear the lion with him. Cause him a walk like a king in a concrete jungle. Now give me the bass line again, bass line again. When you hear the lion roaring, hey, when you hear the lion roaring, you're all massive in a reggae camp. This is the final tune. I'd like to thank you all very much. This one's dedicated to each and every one of you. Two hands in the air if you control your own destiny, if you have control in your life. Because that's what being a lion is all about. That you can be dominant in whatever it is you're doing, in your creativity and your productivity. So, you have to walk with confidence, self-confidence, and you have to talk with confidence. I myself, I'm a very soft-spoken and actually a shy person, but my inner lion comes out when reggae music is in full vibration, in effect, you see me? So, just follow what I sing. Walk like a lion, talk like a lion, alright? Let me hear you. Walk like a lion. Walk like a lion. Walk like a lion. Walk like a lion. Talk like a lion. Walk like a lion. Perfect, beautiful. Give me the rhythm, give me the rhythm. Pay close attention and know the power that lies within. Reveal the truth that's been hidden. Third eye vision, what your sight has been missing. Are you satisfied with the life that you're living? Escape yourself from the system, become independent. Mighty lion, never self-determined, self-reliant, with ability. To the bridge, to the bridge. Hey! Has it been from the ancient of days? Slither not it all like the lion's mane. Dreadlock Rasta, Natty Congo, Mama Warrior. Hey! Tried up in America, tried up in Europe. Yeah. Take it to the bridge, to the flag, hey! Well, in the concrete jungle, you hear the lion in my roar. Well, in the concrete jungle, well, in the lion with him, you hear the lion with him roar. Well, in the concrete jungle, you hear the lion with him roar. Come in, walk with the king, in the concrete
Swear